Hello, in this video we are going to start programming the objects. We will have this tutorial or the video for the instructions. First we have to open GameMaker. Normally I have to close this, hide, window close all. Then I go to File and I open my recent files. I mean the project I've been working in. You might think that all the information is gone, but that's not true. If you click here, you will see that you have the sprites. Remember that a sprite is just a picture, and the object is where you're going to put all your programming. And you can also see that we created the first room. Yes, we're going to start programming the player. Remember that the player must be solid, also the wall must be solid, and the goal is not need to be solid. So I'm going to add event, keyboard, left. I'm going to start programming the movement of my player. The movement of the player will be with the keyboards. If I press the left key, I'm going to move my character to the left. Okay. I repeat, add event, keyboard, and go right. When I press the keyboard, I'm going to drag and drop, and the player will move to the right with a speed of 4. And I do the same for every key. Up. I have programmed all the movement for each key. But there is also a very important one, that when no key is pressed, the character must stop. Okay, speed of 0. I also want the character, when the character collides with the wall, the character must also stop. Let's test. I see that I can move my player with the keys, according to the keys. When testing, I realize that my player is not moving to the left. I go to the program and see that I forgot to put the speed of 4 for my movement. You have to always test what's happening and look for problems in your code. I'm going to now program the goal. The goal programming is very easy. When the character collides with the goal, it must go to the next level. I'm going to add event, collision with the character. Right now, we only have one level, but it is important to consider the game when we will have a further level. So, when the character collides with the goal, in main1, you are going to check if there is a next level, and if there is a next level, you will go to that level. Yes? Or else, if there is a next level, go to another else you go to restart the game. I mean, if there is a next level, you go to the next level. If not, you will restart the game. That will be all for the programming. You end by testing what you just did, testing all the character movement, and testing that when you reach the goal, you will go to the next level. Sometimes it's a little difficult for the player to move. We will correct this in the future. Right now we just have to be very precise when moving the character. And that will be all.